So we'll start a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch notch trowel. What does that mean? It means that the notches are 1/8 of an inch apart, 1/8 of an inch deep, and it's a square notch. And then the teeth, sometimes they'll say 1/8 by 1/8 by 1/8. All that means is that the teeth on it are also 1/8 of an inch. Trowel. This is about the smallest trowel that we use in the tile world. What do we use this for? So the Kerdi Trowel, this is my old Kerdi trowel I've had for years, is nothing more than a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch notch trowel. So we would use it for installing the thin Kerdi membrane. Now keep in mind, this is not Kerdi, okay? This is a different brand. I don't have any Kerdi on me. But it's the thin, waterproof type membranes that you would put in your shower. You put it on, spread it out, you get the ridges of the mortar out, and this membrane is a little bit translucent so that you can see how good your bond is here. So keep in mind, other manufacturers, they want a bigger trowel, the next size up, to use with their thin membranes. So Schluter is one of the only ones that you would use the 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch notch trowel for. Okay, and what else would we use it for? We use it for very, very small mosaics. Very small, very thin, flat backs. Some of those would go on here fine. That's about all that we use the 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch trowel for.